Okay, today I have a Medeco Duracam. It's a 5-pin sidebar lock with rotating pins. And when you pull the key out, it will reset all the pin rotations, I believe, to this last rotation. But you can also go in with your pick and rotate those pins like that. And then we go to picking. And it's a little bit weird. Unlike the Medeco biaxial I did, this one, it doesn't seem to be like where you can do well, you can only rotate it one way because there's a block on the cam in the back. You can flip that over if you wanted to set this to turn the other way, but it can only go clockwise in the current setting. But it's not like the biaxial where you can set the sidebar first and then all the pins to shear line, or if you pick it the other way, the shear line first then the sidebar. This one you have to do both at the same time. So I feel like you have to get the orientation on the pin before you push it up, or sometimes after you put, like, I don't exactly know the order, but I feel like I kind of have to do both at the same time on this. And to rotate the pin, if I want it to go to the right, I'll turn the lockpick clockwise. To go to the left, the other way, and I push on the pin to turn it that direction. And if I want it in the center, then I'll kind of just push lightly with the pick, and I'll wiggle it back and forth like this to try to until I feel it like it's in the center. I feel like some of these pins need bullying a little bit. I'm talking so much I'm not hearing what I usually hear. I can't lift pin 3 for some reason. Can't even get underneath it. What have I done? And when you reset, you don't lose your rotation work, at least, so you're just back to mostly shear line work, so you can keep working on this without losing a lot of your hard work. Okay, click from 5. Keep feeling 4 is really low. Oh, okay, so the cord just turned some. So I'm going to check from the beginning again if everything feels set. Yeah. Number 3. And there we got it. It is picked open. I have not fully taken this apart. Get this vise out of here. But I know that you can pull something off of here. But you can take it halfway apart like this. And before I do that all the way, you can see there's the flat of the body, and you can see that the course is picked, right? You can see it turn in there, hopefully. Core turns. And this is that piece back here that I was talking about. It makes it so you can only turn it one way. And you can just pop this out. There's no pins that are going to go flying or anything like that. And right now you'll see that the sidebar is down, and there's a slot right here, the little hole there that the sidebar, which is over here, has to go into. So when I lock it, you slide it over there and you'll see it pop up. There you go. And pull out the rest of the way. And the sidebar doesn't go down, even though all the things are rotated the right way, but they're not pushed that right height. So if you look in here, you can see the 5 pins that are in there, and probably you can lift them up here and you can rotate them. So you can pull this piece off to get to all the springs and all the pins, but I don't know, I might mess it up. Maybe at some point I'll do that. I think I heard somebody pulls it off and then they file down the edges a little bit to make it easier to get in and out, but I like the lock. I don't think I'm gonna try to, I'll probably end up destroying it or something, right? Anyways, it's the Medeco Duracam. Hopefully there are some little tips in there that help you get into yours as well. Alright, thanks.